Tucked away in the heart of the Dolomites lies a mirror to the sky, Lake Braies. This is not just a lake, it's a place where time slows down and nature paints perfection in silence. Lake Braies, also known as Pragser Wildsee, sits in South Tyrol, northern Italy. Formed by a landslide thousands of years ago, its emerald waters are framed by the majestic Seekofel mountain, creating one of the most breathtaking scenes in the Alps. Historically, this region was part of the Austro-Hungarian Empire and carries both Italian and German influence. Walk the 3.6-kilometer loop trail around the lake. Every step gives you a new postcard. In summer, wooden rowboats glide across crystal waters. In autumn, golden trees reflect like fire on glass. In winter, the lake freezes into a silent white dream. No filters needed. This is nature, unfiltered. Legend says the lake guards the entrance to a lost underground kingdom. It's no surprise Lake Braies often appears in films and fairy tales. Best time to visit? Sunrise between 6 to 7 a.m., when the first light hits the mountain face and the crowds are still asleep. Some places you visit, others stay with you. Lake Braies is one of those rare places that speaks to your soul without a single word. Subscribe to Off Limits Earth for more cinematic escapes like this every week. One hidden gem at a time.